The present simple tense is used to talk about our fixed and scheduled program scheduled program and actions the meeting starts at 4 p.m. The class starts at 6 o'clock in the morning. The train departs from Janakpur at 10 o'clock in the morning. The show begins in time. These are the examples of our fixed timetable or our scheduled action. Schedule is there, fixed, the timetable or fixed timetable. The seminar starts off on Sunday. That is, our schedule is there. Then next concept number 4, we use present simple tense in some more other or some more other concepts also. There are so many popular idioms and phrases which we use in our day-to-day life. In fact, they are the maxims, very full of wisdom or knowledge. When we follow, we feel how they make a difference in our life. The present simple tense is used to talk about some saying, that is some maxim, some proverbs. For proverbs and maxim, present simple tense is used. The present simple tense, the present simple tense is used tense is also used to talk about some proverbs, some proverbs and maxims, some proverbs and sayings, maxims you can say, maxims, wise saying, wise sayings. Let's take an example. Time and tide. Time and tide wait for no man. Look at here. This is a proverb is there. Slow and steady. Next. Slow and steady. Slow and steady wins the race. Wins the race. Wins the race. A stitch in time. A stitch in time. In time saves nine. Saves nine. These are some of the wise saying. Wise saying. Wise saying, you know. I think this is how we have discussed so far 4 concepts, and still 2 more concepts are left that we should discuss. Generally, you see, when you write the newspaper headlines, so in newspaper headlines, though the headlines are about the incidents or events which happen in the past, but news headlines, to write news headlines, it is present simple tense that is always used. So one very prominent or often very common use of present simple tense is to write the news headlines either in an electronic media like television or in a print media like the newspaper. It is not the past simple tense, it is the present simple tense that is used. Let me write that concepts also.